if you ever snap the tip off your Leatherman Wave, like just one of them, you can just snap them off flush and then file them down just like this. And they actually grip better now because if you see, they're gripping completely. Sorry, this camera is being terrible at focusing. They're gripping completely on that very last serration, and they're completely flush because I filed it. So yeah, this works pretty dang well. I was gonna warranty it, but now in Portland, you got to send it back. You got to give it to them and then wait for them to send it back. So it's not quite ideal. So you can just hacksaw it a little bit and snap it off with some big old channel locks, because it is really hard to hacksaw this. You'll probably need a vise. And then if it's not too big, just file it down. It's a lot easier to file than to hacksaw. But there you go. It's a great tool. It's my favorite tool.